Have you ever felt tired even after sleeping well? Or stressed, restless, and unable to fully relax? The reason might be something surprisingly simple: magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral involved in more than 300 processes inside your body. It helps your muscles relax, supports your nervous system, regulates energy, and keeps your heartbeat steady. You can think of magnesium as your body's natural calm switch. When levels are low, small problems start to appear. Muscle cramps, poor sleep, fatigue, headaches, anxiety, and constant tension are all common signs. The challenge is that most people don't realize they're deficient. Modern diets play a big role. Processed foods contain fewer minerals, and today's high-stress lifestyles actually drain magnesium faster. Caffeine, sugar, and lack of sleep can also reduce magnesium levels over time. The good news is that restoring magnesium can be simple. Foods like spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, avocados, bananas, and dark chocolate are rich in magnesium and help support your body naturally. One of magnesium's biggest benefits is better sleep. It helps calm brain activity and supports melatonin. Instead of forcing sleep, magnesium helps your body relax the way it was designed to. Some people also use supplements, but balance is important, and professional advice is always recommended. Sometimes better health doesn't require complicated solutions. It starts with giving your body the nutrients it quietly needs. Magnesium may be small, but its impact on energy, stress, and sleep can be powerful.